What if I told you that over 2,000 years ago, humans built a device so advanced it looks like it belongs in a 19th century laboratory? And that's just the beginning, because scattered across the ancient world are discoveries that don't just surprise historians, they confuse modern science. History teaches us that technology evolves slowly. Stone, bronze, iron, then machines, electricity, and computers. But archaeology keeps uncovering objects that don't fit that timeline. Devices that seem too advanced, materials we can barely replicate, engineering precision that shouldn't have existed for thousands of years. These discoveries don't rewrite history, but they force us to admit something uncomfortable. Ancient civilizations may have known far more than we once believed. Let's begin with the artifact often called the world's first computer. In 1901, divers exploring a Roman shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera found a strange corroded lump of bronze. At first glance, it looked like a rock, but inside were more than 30 precision-cut gears. This device, built around 100 BC, is now known as the Antikythera Mechanism. After X-rays and 3D scans, scientists realized it could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track planetary movements, follow the timing of the Olympic Games. In other words, it was an ancient analog computer. Here's the mystery. Gear systems this advanced weren't supposed to exist until medieval Europe, over 1,000 years later. So how did ancient Greeks create something so mechanically complex without modern tools? Even today, researchers are still trying to fully understand how it worked. And one question remains. If they built one, how many others were lost to history? In 1936, archaeologists near Baghdad discovered a small clay jar dating back to around 200 BC. Inside was a copper cylinder and an iron rod. When scientists recreated it and added an acidic liquid like vinegar, it produced an electric charge. This object became known as the Baghdad Battery. If it truly functioned as a battery, it suggests ancient people may have understood basic electricity nearly 2,000 years before modern science officially discovered it. Some researchers believe it may have been used for electroplating, coating objects in gold using electricity. But there's a problem. No wires have been found, no clear electrical devices, no written instructions. So, was it really a battery? Or are we misunderstanding its purpose entirely? The debate continues to this day. Look at the Pantheon in Rome. It's nearly 2,000 years old and still standing. Meanwhile, many modern concrete structures begin cracking within decades. Why? Because Roman concrete is made differently. Scientists discovered the Romans mixed volcanic ash, lime, and seawater, triggering a chemical reaction that strengthens the material over time. Modern concrete slowly weakens. Roman concrete actually heals itself. Even underwater Roman harbors have survived centuries of waves that would destroy modern materials. The mystery isn't just that it worked. It's that ancient builders figured this out without modern chemistry. We're only now beginning to understand and copy what they already knew. When Pompeii was excavated, archaeologists uncovered a complete set of Roman surgical instruments: scalpels, bone drills, forceps, speculums. Many look almost identical to tools used in hospitals today. Roman doctors performed cataract surgery, bone repairs, dental procedures, even skull operations. And skeletons show signs that some patients actually survived these surgeries. All of this happened without modern anesthesia, antibiotics, or sterile operating rooms. So how did they reach such medical sophistication? Ancient texts from Greek and Roman physicians show deep anatomical knowledge, but the precision of their tools suggests a level of medical practice most people never associate with the ancient world. It challenges the idea that ancient medicine was purely primitive. In some areas, they were shockingly advanced. Travel to Peru, Egypt, or even parts of Asia, and you'll find massive stone blocks cut and fitted together with astonishing precision. At Sacsayhuaman in Peru, stones weighing over 100 tons are shaped so perfectly that not even a blade of grass can fit between them. No mortar, no steel tools, no modern machinery, just perfect joints. In Egypt, granite statues and stone boxes show drill marks and smooth interior cuts that suggest incredibly advanced stoneworking techniques. Mainstream experts believe ancient builders used stone hammers, copper tools, and sand as an abrasive. But even with those methods, reproducing this precision today is extremely difficult. It doesn't mean aliens, it doesn't mean lost super-tech civilizations, but it does mean ancient engineers had skills and techniques we still don't fully understand. These discoveries don't prove the past was filled with futuristic machines, but they do prove something just as powerful. Ancient humans were brilliant innovators. They experimented, they observed nature, they solved problems in ways we're only now beginning to appreciate. History isn't a straight line of progress. Sometimes knowledge is discovered, forgotten, and rediscovered centuries later. Maybe the real mystery isn't impossible technology, but how much ancient knowledge vanished over time. So the next time someone says ancient people were primitive, remember, the 2,000-year-old computer, the possible ancient battery, concrete that repairs itself, surgical tools ahead of their time, and stones cut with mind-blowing precision. What other technologies are still buried beneath the earth, waiting to change everything we think we know about history? Tell me in the comments, which ancient mystery amazed you the most? And what discovery do you think we haven't uncovered yet? Because history might not just be older than we think, it might be smarter than we ever imagined.